Welcome to the top 5 niches episode 54. In this video I'm going to talk about the top 5 niches including the deleted designs. I'm also going to talk about a particular niche that has just popped up, so if that's something you're interested in, keep watching. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to another top 5 niches of the week. We're going to talk brief about the 5 niches, then we're going to talk about the deleted designs, including the upcoming niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first niche of the week is this Let's Go Darwin. So if you guys are familiar with the Let's Go Brandon shirt, it's been trending for a while, and although I don't recommend it, and here's the reason why. Whenever I do a trademark check for Let's Go Brandon, there are several trademarks filed, but none have been registered yet. You see a bunch of 25s. This is clothing, and that's why I'm not opening it. So whenever I see 25, it means they're filing for a shirt. So many people are filing to trademark Let's Go Brandon. So it's a really slippery slope, and including the fact that some designs have been deleted before. So I wouldn't recommend you entering the Let's Go Brandon niche. But for the Let's Go Darwin shirt, I would recommend that you send some shirts in. Here's the reason why. Although I see a single deleted design here, I'm thinking maybe it's the keywords or something of the sort, because when I search for Let's Go Darwin, I don't see any. There are no results. Like, no one has filed for anything yet. So you see no records found. And that's the sole reason why I will recommend that you go for this niche, because no one has filed anything yet. But as opposed to the Let's Go Brandon niche, several people have filed. So this niche is a new niche. Let's Go Brandon US flag shirt, and overall trend is up. So apart from the fact that a single shirt has been removed, I'm using Merch Informer, by the way. All the links to the tools I'm talking about are in the description below. If you're interested in some discounts, the discounts are there too. And for Merch Informer, you can use the code Make Money Online, all lowercase letters, for a 20% discount. What I'm using right here is the deleted designs tool or feature. I go to Merch Hunter, then type in the keyword, then click not so much. Not so much is for deleted designs. Then it brings me up this. Actually, I was searching just for Let's Go Darwin deleted design shirt, and then Let's Go Brandon popped up. The deleted designs popped up. So if I go for Let's Go, as you can see, it's just one result for Let's Go Darwin, and maybe it's the description or the keywords that got this person in trouble, because, or maybe it's a trendy. You have to really be careful anything you put in your title, your description, and your keywords, because it's gonna get you in trouble. As for me, I have a static description for all my shirts. It's just one description, and I've vetted that description, and all I do is I change the title. The title rhymes with the shirt. Yeah, that's what I do. And for the keywords, I vet all my keywords using my trademark tool. Here is by Flying Research, and here it is, trademark search. I search all my trademarks to make sure that any word I'm including in my keywords is fine, and I take my time and look for each word. I even do spin-offs. Sometimes I can go with just Darwin instead of Let's Go Darwin. I can just go with Darwin and see if oh, there is let's see there's any 25. So Darwin 2 is safe. As I can see, I don't see any 25. 25 shows that it's trademark on clothing. Let's go to page 2. So I see here Darwin's with an S. Darwin's is not the same as Darwin. So you see, let's go here too. If you're not sure about it, just click it open and you're gonna see more about it. But as of now, the word Darwin is not trademark. It's trademark in other classes like books. 16 is for books. Those are the tools that I'm interested in because I do trademark checks for books and clothing because those are the two print-on-demand businesses I'm doing right now actively, and I'm using this flying research tool for them. So I'm versed with the number 16 and 25 because that's for books and clothing respectively. So guys, that's it for niche number one. Darwin niche, I would recommend that you go for it because it's not trademark at the moment. We don't see any results for trademarks being filed. And now here's the reason why I don't recommend the Let's Go Brandon niche. As you can see, there are several results for Let's Go Brandon deleted designs. I'm using Merch Informer's deleted design tool. It's called the Not So Much tool because whenever I click Not So Much and you click search and you put in the keyword, it's gonna bring out the deleted designs. But if you're searching for the top ranking designs, you look for live products and it's gonna bring you the best sellers. So that's why I call it the Not So Much tool or deleted designs tool for Merch Informer. So this is the reason why I don't recommend the Let's Go Brandon niche, is because there are several deleted designs. As you can see, Let's Go Brandon, We the People, Let's Go Brandon with Trump on it, Let's Go Brandon with the American flags. This one is Let's Go Brandon with Christmassy like themed shirt, and Let's Go Brandon all over again. So you see, there's so many designs that have been removed, and just for the fact that there's several trademarks that have been filed, either of them could go live, and once they go live, all of your shirts could be in trouble. And that's the reason why I'm recommending the Let's Go Darwin shirt, although one has been removed, but I don't see any active trademarks that could go live at any moment. This niche number two is a very unique event. It happens like once in a lifetime. The day 2222, that's all twos. That's February 22nd, 2022. Some people haven't even seen it in their lifetime. Like, we're really like lucky to see this while we're still alive. So it's a huge day. It's a day to remember. So many people will be purchasing shirts for this day to remember this day. So here's an example. This is a subsection of the niche. The niche is actually February 22nd, 2022, but some people are niching down to second grade. Second grade on this second grade on February 22nd, 2022 is quite unique, guys. Just imagine you're teaching grade 2 on February 2nd, 2022, you know, that kind of thing. So many students and teachers will be purchasing this for themselves. So this is an example of a shirt that has sold over 130 times. No reviews yet. It's indication of that. It's an indication that many people have purchased it and have not had the time to leave a review yet. That shows that it's trending. That was it for niche number 2, Tuesday. Moving over to niche number 3 is this 100 days of school. Of course, this is not a new niche. If you've been in the print-on-demand game, you're aware of this 100 days of school niche. Yeah, and you can make several designs with 100. I've even seen one that was doing multiplication like 1 times 2 plus 5 times that, and it all summed up to 100. That was a very unique way of making 100 days of school t-shirt niche. And this one is just an animal print that has 100 days. It's a 100 days, you all. So I've even seen some creative ones with pencils and apples, especially for those who are in the lower grades. They have fun and colorful shirts. So if you're entering that niche and you can't design, I recommend that you get someone to do the design for you. For me, I'm not that great of a designer, so I always get Vexels to do my designs for me, and I will just edit it. I have the lifetime plan, so I have 2 design requests per month. I request designs to be made, and I can edit the designs that are already made. So if you're interested in that service, it's down in the description below, Vexels. And this is it for third niche. Niche number 4 is V is for Valentine video games. So obviously Valentine's Day is upcoming, and it's a very huge niche. You guys all know about that. It's not something that I should be telling you. It's a very huge niche for everyone around the world. So you can upload all your designs to other print on demand platforms, and you will definitely have some sales if your design is good. So this is a very unique niche, the video games niche inside the Valentine's Day niche. So it's a subsection of the Valentine's Day niche, and you know there are several game lovers out there, huge game lovers, both girls and boys inclusive, and most of them love games. Now mixing that niche with the Valentine's Day umbrella niche is a very unique way to go, and this is an example of a shirt that is doing quite well, over 699 reviews. It tells you how well this t-shirt is selling. So this is it for the Valentine's Day niche. We're moving over to the last niche of the day. The fifth niche is this New Year Tiger. This is actually Chinese New Year 2022. Is the year of the tiger. That's why you see a tiger here. And there are several ways you can go about designing a shirt like this. You can go with the classic dabbing dabbing tigers, you can also go with a very colorful design, you know, that makes the t-shirt pop, and many people will likely buy your shirt. Or you can also go with a tiger that is in a sunset. So those are the three ways that I design. If I don't do search for a design or a character that is dabbing, I'll go for a sunset design tiger or sunset design character, or I'll go for a retro like grunge kind of design. You know, those are the, like 4 ways of designing that always work for me, and it will definitely work for you. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.